Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fireplace thermocouple is probably one of the most overlooked components in your gas fireplace, but it plays a vital role in both safety and efficiency. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of fireplace thermocouples, exploring what they are, how they work, and why choosing the right one is crucial for the optimal performance of your fireplace. Get ready to become a thermocouple expert. Number 5. Heat Glow Fireplace Thermopile Replacement, 24, Aluminum. This thermopile is compatible with most units, including water heaters, ovens, fireplaces, and stoves. It's a versatile replacement part designed to meet your needs. This product is designed for safety and energy efficiency. Available in 24-inch and 36-inch lengths, it's made with high-temperature resistant materials, ensuring efficient performance and potential energy savings. With an internal resistance between 1500 mOm and 4500 mOm, and a normal working temperature of 700-750 degrees Celsius, it's built to last. The quality ensures reliable operation. This thermocouple is an aftermarket replacement part. Its primary function is to monitor the fire after the initial startup, ensuring safe and consistent operation. Installation is quick and easy with its spiral and two-pole plug-in design. It attaches to propane tanks and cylinders without the need for tools, making the process simple. What we like. This thermocouple is compatible with a wide range of units, including water heaters and gas stoves. It is designed for safety and energy savings. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. My handyman had no issues installing it and I now have my fireplace back. Kept fireplace log light. Worked perfectly my Heat Glow unit. I'm about a year out at this time, and it has performed without issue. Number 4. Heat and Glow Thermocouple for Fireplaces. This is a replacement thermocouple for heat and glow and hearth and home fireplaces. It's designed to provide reliable performance, ensuring your fireplace operates safely and efficiently. This part is a high-quality replacement. This thermocouple replaces the RS, Robert Shaw, thermocouple. It is specifically designed for hearth and home gas stoves and fireplaces. It's a direct replacement, making installation straightforward. This is a high-quality replacement part. It is built to the same standards as the original, ensuring durability and longevity. You can rely on it to keep your fireplace running smoothly. This thermocouple fits a wide range of models. It is also a replacement for Quadra-Fyre. Please check the product description for a complete list of compatible models to ensure a proper fit. It is a replacement RS, Robert Shaw, thermocouple for hearth and home gas stoves and fireplaces. This part is essential for the safe operation of your gas appliance. It ensures the gas supply is cut off if the pilot light goes out. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement for RS thermocouples. It fits many models of hearth and home gas stoves and fireplaces. If you have a compatible model and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Exact replacement for the original and now the fireplace works great. The product worked great, fired right up and the wife is happy the fireplace works again. Good quality, and excellent brass fittings on both ends of coupling. Number 3. Real Fyre PT-1 Pilot Thermocouple for NG Burners. This is the Real Fyre PT-1 Pilot Thermocouple. It's a genuine component made by R.H. Peterson. This part is designed for natural gas applications. This thermocouple is specifically designed for natural gas. It ensures the safe and efficient operation of your gas appliance. It's a crucial part for your burner. The PT-1 is compatible with G45 and G46 burner models. It's designed to work seamlessly with these specific burner types. This ensures optimal performance. This is a genuine Real Fyre component, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust this part to meet the highest standards. It's built to last. The part number for this thermocouple is PT1NAT. Make sure this is the correct part for your needs. It's easy to identify and install. What we like. This is a genuine Real Fyre component. It is specifically designed for G45 and G46 burner applications. If you have a real Fyre fireplace with these burner models, this is the perfect choice for optimal performance. What people say. Worked perfectly. This real Fyre PT-1 Pilot thermocouple was a perfect fit for the old unit, an easy and fast, 30M, job to replace. Quick install and got my fireplace back up and running for the winter. Number 2. Lennox 74L57 Gas Fireplace Thermocouple. This is a quality aftermarket replacement for your Lennox 74L57 Gas Fireplace Thermocouple. It's designed to restore the functionality of your fireplace, ensuring safe and efficient operation. This thermocouple is a reliable aftermarket part. It's built to meet or exceed the original specifications, providing a dependable solution for your fireplace needs. We stand behind this product with a 90-day replacement warranty. If it fails within the warranty period, we'll replace it for you. This gives you peace of mind. Installing this thermocouple is straightforward. The design makes it easy to replace the old one. You can quickly get your fireplace back up and running. This replacement thermocouple ensures the safe and efficient operation of your gas fireplace. It helps regulate the gas flow, preventing potential hazards and optimizing performance. What we like. This is a quality aftermarket replacement. It comes with a 90-day replacement warranty. If you need a reliable replacement with peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. Installing this thermocouple made our gas logs work like they did when they were first installed a number of years ago. Ever since I got it installed, our fireplace has worked great, with the flame igniting instantly every time and staying lit for several weeks now. This was a perfect replacement and it now works great. Number 1. Monessen 26D0809 Gas Fireplace Thermopile Thermogenerator. This thermogenerator is designed for gas fireplaces. It ensures your fireplace operates efficiently and safely. It's a crucial component for consistent heat. If your fireplace isn't working as it should, this could be the solution. It's a direct replacement for the Monessen 26D0809 model. This part is built to last. Replacing the thermogenerator is straightforward. The design makes it easy to install. You can quickly restore your fireplace's functionality. This component plays a vital role in the safety of your fireplace. It helps to prevent gas leaks. It ensures your home remains safe. With this thermogenerator, you can expect consistent heat. It helps to maintain the desired temperature. Enjoy a warm and cozy atmosphere. What we like. This is a specific model for Monessen fireplaces. It ensures reliable performance. If you have a Monessen fireplace and need a dependable thermopile, this is the one to choose. What people say. Perfect fit for my majestic fireplace model NVBR42RN thermopile replacement. It's a simple replacement, but this one has good wire shielding, which is what did in my previous one. We were uncertain if this would work in our 30-plus-year-old fireplace, but it was easy to install and worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.